Good morning, dear students. Today's topic for class 8 identities chapter is 12. Identities chapter is very easy based on formulas. So we will discuss about formulas first. Some basic formulas we have to use in this chapter are, see, like x plus a into x plus b. So directly we will use, but how the formula came we need to understand. See, x is multiplied by x plus b and again a is multiplied by x plus b. So what we will get, see, x into x, x square plus xb plus ax plus ab. So x square, x is common, we can write a plus b plus ab, something like that. Okay, if we have x plus a into x minus b, then what? See, the same formula, x into x minus b plus a into x minus b, that is we will get x square minus xb plus ax minus ab. X square, now x is common, so we take minus x common, so we can write b minus a into, minus ab. Or if you wish, you can write x square plus x into a minus b minus ab. Okay, yes, if the question is there x minus a into x plus b, then what? The same we will follow, x multiplied by x plus b minus a multiplied by x plus b. So we will get x square plus xb minus ax minus ab. So x square, x is common, b minus a minus ab. If you wish, you can write x square minus x and it will be now converted into a minus b minus ab. Except these, you will get what? X plus a whole, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, also a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. The formula of these you will get directly, we will use in the questions. So what are they? Let us write. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula for a plus b whole square. A minus b means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now in one bracket a plus b, in one bracket a minus b is the formula for a square minus b square. Now a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This 2 can be multiplied inside also. Now a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Again a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. A cube plus b cube is a plus b and a square plus b square minus ab. Please remember that here we have minus ab, and a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So these are the formulas we will directly use in the questions. Let us have some questions based on the formulas. Okay, so first question I would like to write is from your exercise, x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 3. Very simple. This x will be multiplied by x plus 3. Again this 8 will be multiplied by x plus 3. X into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 3, 24. Now x square plus 3x and 8x, 11x plus 24 will be the answer. Okay, one more question, b minus 3, b minus 5. b minus 3, b minus 5. Let us see. Now b multiplied by b minus 5 and minus 3 multiplied by b minus 5. b into b square, b into 5, 5b, minus 3b and minus minus plus 5 3s are 15. Now b square minus 5b minus 3b minus 8b and plus 15 is the answer. Now questions based on these formulas. In your book, the question written here is expand 2a plus b whole square. 2a plus b whole square. We have to expand it. We already know the formula a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this first term is, let us take it as a. Second term, let us take it as b. So a square means 2a whole square. Second term whole square, 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b. So answer will be 4a square, because square of 2 is 4, square of a is a square, plus b square, 2 2s are 4, ab. Okay. One more question. A plus 1 upon 2a whole square. Once again, a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus b square 1 upon 2a whole square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b is 1 upon 2a. So a square plus 1 upon 4a square, 2 into a, 1. So this is the answer. Simply we have to put the formula. Now questions on some question is x 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now which formula? We will take a plus b plus c whole square. The formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now here we have a, b and c. So a means 2x whole square, b means 1 upon x square, c means 1 square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, a into b, 2bc, 2 into 1 upon x into 1, 2ca, 2 into 1 into 2x. So 4x square 1 upon x square plus 1, x will be cancelled by x, so 2 2s are 4, 2 upon x, 2 2s are 4x. So this will be the answer. Now formulas based on these cubes, we have to expand it. 2a plus b whole cube. Now if you know the formula, see a plus b whole cube, here it is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So a plus b, a cube means first term cube, b cube means second term cube, 3 into a into b in bracket a plus b. So 8a cube plus b cube, 6ab in bracket 2a plus b. If you want 8a cube plus b cube, this can be multiplied by this 2a plus b. So 6 2s are 12, a square b, 6ab square. This will be the answer. Okay. Now some more formulas like a plus 1 upon a whole cube. See, a plus 1 upon a whole cube. Again a plus b whole cube. A cube means this first term cube, b cube means second term cube, 3 into first term into second term in bracket first term plus second term according to the formula. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 upon a will be the answer. Among all these, you should know the formula of a plus 1 upon a whole square, a minus 1 upon a whole square, and a plus 1 upon a whole cube, a minus 1 upon a whole cube. these four formulas also please remember. Formula for a plus 1 upon a whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2, because a into 1 upon will be cancelled. A square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. This will be a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a plus 1 upon a. And this will be a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 3 into a minus 1 upon a. These four formulas we will directly use in the questions of the exercises. Okay, please remember them. Some questions we have based on the formulas, like first question is, if a plus b is given 5 and the value of ab is given 6, we have to find the value of a square plus b square. We don't know. Okay, now we have given a plus b is equal to 5, so squaring both the sides, a plus b whole square is equal to 5 square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 25. Now we have to find the value of a square plus b square plus 2. The value of ab is 6. So a square plus b square is equal to 25. 6 2s are 12 will come this side, and this will be 30. So this way you can solve these type of questions. One more is there. A minus 1 upon a is given 4, or we write a plus 1 upon a is given 3, and we have to find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Now see, a plus 1 upon a is given 3, we will write squaring both the sides. So we will get a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 is equal to 3 3 is 9. So a square plus 1 upon a square, 9 minus 2, that is 7 will be the answer. Let us take one more example. Question is, a square plus 1 upon a square is given 23. We have to find a plus 1 upon a. Okay, now see, a plus 1 upon a whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square, we have 23. So please write 23 plus 2, that is 25. We want a plus 1 upon a, say under root 25, that is 5 will be the answer. Okay, now one more important question we will take. A cube plus 1 upon a cube. A cube plus 1 upon a cube. We have to find the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. The value is given a plus 1 upon is equal to 5. A plus 1 upon a is equal to 5 is given. Now, so a plus 1 upon a whole cube is equal to 5 cube. Cubing both the sides. Because cube is there, so cubing both the sides. Our formula is a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 in bracket a plus 1 upon a is equal to 125. Now a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 upon a means what? 5 is given already, is equal to 125. A cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to 125 minus 5 3 is 15. So 125 minus 15 is 110 will be the answer. So these type of questions will get in this chapter, identities. So please practice them and solve some other questions. Till then, thank you so much. See you soon.